So here's how to change page background color in Microsoft Word. It's quite simple, so let's get started. First of all, you need to zoom out the page so that you can see the page at once. So for zooming out the page, you can simply move your cursor on the right bottom side and then zoom out like this. And now as you can see, we can see the page at once. So now we need to change the background color. It's quite simple, guys. First, go to the insert option on the left upper side, and then from here you need to select the shapes and then rectangles. You need to select these rectangles and then draw a rectangle into the page like this. Now you need to adjust the rectangle as your page size like this and adjust it, guys. It has adjusted perfectly. Now you need to select the color. So first of all, you need to tap on this page shape fill option and now select the desired color you want. So for my case, I'm going with this green color, so I will select that. And then you need to select this shape outline and then simply tap on this option, no outline. Select that as well. And then from here, you on the right upper side, you will see the wrap text option. You need to select the wrap text. And then you need to select behind the text option like this. And then as you can see, we got a background color into our Microsoft Word document. So that's how you can simply do it. Hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and have a very good day.